Radhasusila Holistics. Now we will see how are the love energies for Virgans this week, Tuesday to Tuesday. Recently we have got a lunar eclipse. So lunar eclipse will definitely tell upon our mind and heart, because there will be lot of confusional thoughts, irrational thoughts, mental upset, mental depression and agony going on in our mind, lot of turbulences. But for some zodiac it is a very good sign, it will bring very good happenings in their life. For some of them it may not be up to the mark. We will see how it is going to be for Virgans this week. We will see what the universe has to say for you, what message the universe sends for you. Live according to your divine essence. You make your life as such. You become a flow in the hands of the divine. Whatever you feel, you leave everything to the divine and just go by the flow. That is good for you. Take nothing in your hands, just leave it to the Almighty, just leave it to the universe, and you go by the flow. That will help you a lot in overcoming all your situations and getting a happy ending. Bring your life into balance. The same thing this card also says. Bring a balance in your life. Don't overreact to anything, or don't be very subtle for everything. Just go by the flow and maintain a balance. That is good for you this week for you guys. Now we will see what the tarot card has to say for you in your love life, in your emotional energies, how it is going to be, how it was in the past, how it is going to be in the present, and how it is going to be in the future. First, for the past, you have got the star card. The star card says that your past is very good. You were very happy with your past. What all you have put, you have got from them. You have got from your partner. You are very content with your partner. You are happy. Everything is going well. There is a ray of hope in your life. The stars are shining very bright in your land. So everything is fine. Everything is going well. There is nothing to worry. How is the present Queen of Swords? So there is definitely going to be success in your emotional life, in your love life. You are going to get success with your partner. There will be success for you. There is no need to worry or looking back. Wheel of Fortune, the next card you have got. The Wheel of Fortune, karma, good karma is coming to your help now. So you can go ahead with this relationship and you can make use of the situation right now to move ahead in your relationship, to move ahead in your life with your partner. It's going to be a very good time for you. And justice says that you will get justice in your love life. Everybody will appreciate about your relationship. You will get due respect from others for your relationship. You will be given a good place by others. Everybody will agree for your relationship. So justice is there for you. What it's going to be in the future, that also we will see. You have got 6 of Wands. So now this situation is going to move fast. The relation is a thumping victory for you. It is going to move fast. It is going to move fast in such a rapid speed that you will not know what is happening and what is in store for you. And you have got the Judgment card. You have got the Judgment card and you have got the Justice card. So earlier, whoever were against for your relationship, or who were not that happy with your relationship, they will now be in your favor and make things happen. They will agree for your love life. The good karma, the Wheel of Fortune, will also help you in attaining this. And you have got 4 of Wands. So definitely there is going to be a celebration at your place, celebration in your heart, celebration in your mind, celebration in your environment. Everything is going to be good for you guys, and marriage is on the cards for you. Good things are in the cards for you. So we can say that everything is going to be good for you. And now we will see what the conclusion card the universe has sent for you. It has, you will overcome hardships, whatever you first you were not appreciated by your elders or somebody who were not in favor. They will also now be in your favor, and you will overcome all that hardship, and you will enter into a committed relationship. So enjoy, guys. This week is going to be very good for you. If you like our video, kindly like it, share it, and subscribe it.